Sermon number 235. When he was busy in the funeral ablution, ghusl, of the Holy Prophet, and shrouding him. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. May my father and my mother shed their lives for you, a messenger of Allah. With your death the process of prophethood, revelation and heavenly messages has stopped, which had not stopped at the death of others, prophets. Your position with us, members of your family, is so special that your grief has become a source of consolation to us, as against the grief of all others. Your grief is also common so that all Muslims share it equally. If you had not ordered endurance and prevented us from bewailing, we would have produced a store of tears, and even then the pain would not have subsided, and this grief would not have ended, and there would have been too little of our grief for you. But this, death, is a matter that cannot be reversed, nor is it possible to repulse it. May my father and my mother die for you. Do remember us with Allah, and take care of us.